It's another unboxing video, this time Rambo First Blood Part 2, the 4K UHD, Blu-ray and digital copy. So, going to pull out the slipcase here, give you a look at that. It's got the rounded corners. It has edge-to-edge windows for the special features and the UPC code. Kinda hate that. Feels like that's more prone to ripping. But decent artwork. And here's the actual case, more of the same with the special features bar. Going to go ahead and get this opened. Shrink wrap. Just pulling out the digital code here. And on the inside, here's what we have for artwork. That is the 4K UHD here on the right. Looks like the same artwork on the left for the Blu-ray feature film. And that has been a look at Rambo First Blood Part 2, the 4K UHD. Thanks for watching.